That is loud and clear. Zero. Ahmed Baru in a while, but first let me take
soft state, hard state. I don't think it holds good. After all, what has happened today?
No, it took us 11 years, and then we have.
Roaming around like a free man. He was on death row for the last 10 years. I want to make that point very clear.
Absolutely.
So it's not as if the hardness or softness of
जो वो कह रहे हैं वो अपनी जगह पर बात कोई ऐसी गलत नहीं है, चूंकि पॉलिटिक्स में तक विचार के लिए ना पड़ी रहे, उसको रिजेक्ट या जो भी एक्सेप्ट करना है फौरन होना चाहिए.
Amit, very clearly 2 points you pointed out. First on the timing, and you called it a politically motivated decision, not a political decision, and the way political decision and the way, that's what the question that you've raised, the way this has been carried out in full secrecy, because the family claims that yes. Okay. जोशी जी, first of all, क्या आप इस बात से सहमत है कि एक political decision है? There is much more to it that meets the eye. Is that what Ahmed Baru you're trying to say?
देखिए, एक बात मैं कहूं कि धनंजय चटर्जी के मामले में और इस मामले में बहुत बड़ा फर्क ये है कि वो कश्मीर का मामला है और वो एक बिल्कुल ऑर्डिनरी क्राइम का मामला था. ये एक पॉलिटिकल क्राइम है, इसलिए हमेशा इस
As far as political reactions across the political spectrum is concerned, there seems to be a certain voice of affirmation, although BJP has now started questioning the delay in muted terms, or if not muted, but basically talking about finally decision has been taken, we appreciate, but why this delay?
No, that's exactly the question. I think
because you said it's a political decision, more or less.
You see, it has come before a critical session of the parliament for the government. There are a number of controversies that surround that session. So it is a decision which obviously has been taken with due deliberation, and the timing of all these things is carefully thought out. The larger point that I'm making is that a situation in Kashmir was improving. Now you have provided a handle. You have provided a handle to all kinds of separatists and elements. This will become another rallying point.